guys, welcome back to my channel guys, and for today's video we're gonna test something. We're gonna test a juicer. So this juicer, I got this one from Amazon, and there's 3 reasons why I picked this one. First is the price. This is $59 compared to other brands. They're like 100 plus something. So I picked because first is the price, as I said. Second is this one has a lot of good reviews, like almost 5-star. And third is this is the bestseller. If you type like juicer on Amazon, this is their bestseller one. So I decided to pick this one. So I did already an unboxing on this one. I already opened it, I already disassembled it. Over here guys, I'm gonna do 2 options. For my first recipe, I'm gonna try the kale, carrots and apples. I don't have an orange guys. It's supposed to be like pineapple, carrots and orange, but I don't have the orange, so I'm just gonna do a orange juice I guess for that one. We're just gonna test if the apple will fit on the thing over here for our juice. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna show you how this one works. This is my first time doing this. The juicer over here, as I said, I already disassembled it, and right now I'm gonna show you how to assemble this thing. Over here guys, this is like the lock we have here. This is where we're gonna drain the juice. So we're gonna put this one first. Wait, yeah, I think it's supposed to be like that. Why it doesn't lock? I think it's supposed to be. Oh, there you go. We finally lock it guys. So now it's like sturdy. Next part is going to be this thing right here. So I already washed all these parts. This is where the pulp gonna go, or like the trash. And this thing over here, this is where we're gonna use to push the vegetable or the fruits. The one over here guys, this is where we're gonna get the juice. This is where the juice will come out. This thing over here. The good thing about this one also guys, it has like a suction thing in the bottom, so it's not gonna slide or anything, so it's gonna stick wherever you put it. Like if you put it on the table, it will stick, see, and it's going to be stable. By the way guys, it comes with a brush over here to clean up the mess. I want to make sure that this one over here are dry, because that's what it says in the instructions. You need to make the area dry. Is the wire, by the way, long enough I guess. So yes, we're gonna plug it in right now guys. So as you can see over here guys, there's like an option off, and then there's a 1 and 2. Let's do the pineapple and carrots. This pineapple here, this is a whole pineapple, so we're gonna do this one first. I want to see how much juice we can get from a 1 whole pineapple. Okay, that's the number 1. Okay guys, that's the juice. I mean, it's so little for the whole pineapple. And then let's see what it looks like inside. Okay, and then let's see the pulp. Oh, it's over here guys. So that's the pineapple. They all like gone, really? That's so quick and fast, guys. This is all we got from the whole pineapple. Now let's do the carrot. Look at our trash, guys. It's a lot. This is our apple, kale, and carrots. I'm not gonna mix it, so let's see. I like it. Tastes good. Actually, I like the kale and the apple. So right now, guys, I'm gonna show you how to disassemble this so that we can clean it up. Put this down first, like that. And you can take this out. So ito yung mga basura na kailangan nating itapon. See? It's like the strainer. So that's it. I don't know that you can also take this out, so it's easy to wash. Okay, let's talk about the product. I think the product is worth it if you're looking for like a affordable juicer and it works good. I cannot compare this one to other brand because this is my first time owning a juicer. The only concern I have is the noise. It's a little bit noisy for me, and I kind of like scared if maybe the neighbor will like start knocking on my door like, hey, why is too loud? You know what I mean? Other than that, I would say the product is really good. It works good. And yeah, I made a 2 juice over here. Try this recipe. This is really good. I really like it. I think because of the apple, because I put 3 pieces of apple on this one and it tastes really good. Yeah guys, so that's it for today's video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye guys.